मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपका जो ये सेकंड इनिंग्स है, मे बी इट इज बिगर एंड बेटर देन योर फर्स्ट इनिंग्स.
You know, I don't think about becoming a star or anything. I was a star, and I know how difficult it is to sustain that. If you become a good actor, if you work hard on yourself, your inning becomes longer.
You're doing something with Vijay Thalapathy?
Yeah, I'm doing a film with Vijay Thalapathy. वो पोंगल के टाइम पे रिलीज होने वाली है. Hi, this is Bobby Deol, and you're watching Memorable Conversations with Faridun, my buddy.
You're doing something with Vijay Thalapathy?
Yeah, I'm doing a film with Vijay Thalapathy. वो पोंगल के टाइम पे रिलीज होने वाली है.
And that should be like a brilliant time to release
Yeah.
because
Yeah, I know it is. I mean, it's his last film because he's joining politics. That's what he's saying. So that'll be a big film. And it is a big film.
and he's a huge star.
He is massive.
Right.
मुझे बोल रहे थे, मैंने बोला शूटिंग कहाँ करने वाले हैं, तो बोलते हैं कि हम तो स्टूडियोज़ में ही करते हैं क्योंकि अगर विजय सर तलपति विजय सर कहीं चले जाएं तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, लोग भर जाएंगे वहाँ पर, कोई काम करने नहीं देगा. तो ही इज़ दैट बिग स्टार.
So I think that should be something. And you've been doing Daku Maharaj भी आपने करी है.
हाँ वही मैंने I did this I mean Vijay's film will be the fourth film in South that I would be doing. I did Daku Maharaj, which is a big hit. It released during Jan beginning only.
Right.
And it was great working with Bala sir. He's there. He's a star of the masses. That's what they call him. Over there, सबके titles होते हैं तो, but a great person to work with. And then obviously I did Kangwa, which didn't do well. But I always wanted to, be a part of a film which Surya is a great actor.
Of course.
पर वो कहीं script गलत हो गई. So things happen. You have to, but at least I was happy being a part. You know what I believe is when I'm on set, I want to be happy that I'm being a part of this film. I'm not forced to be a part of it, or I am not, doing it because of other reasons.
जी.
I want to be there because as an actor, I feel I will grow. And I've done a film with Anurag Kashyap,
Bandar.
which is going for the Toronto Film Festival. So again, that was a film that I got, I think, after Animal released.
Right.
I mean, he called me up and he was so happy for me because I've known him for years.
Right.
We've tried to work with each other, but it never worked out. And he was just so happy to see me like that, And then next thing I know, Bandar happened. And it was, I think, a great experience working with Anurag.
Right.
I felt I was doing a workshop as an actor. I felt every day I was learning more about myself as an actor. And it was I'm telling you, that was just amazing being on set with Anurag. And he's very different as a director.
And he can be unpredictable as well.
He is unpredictable.
Yeah.
I mean,
he's an artist.
Yeah, I mean, उसको तो
Mood है, सब कुछ है.
नहीं वो है. I don't get into what is he, why is he like that. With me, when people are nice, they're nice. और मेरे साथ सभी nice ही होते हैं.
Of course.
तो मेरा कुछ उनके बारे में बोलने की है ही नहीं कुछ भी.
अच्छा, डाकू महाराज में आप जब उर्वशी रौटेला ने सारी माइलेज ले ली थी, लग रहा है डाकू महाराज तो सिर्फ उर्वशी.
हाँ वो सोशल मीडिया का है ना, मतलब उसने बेचारी ने इंटरव्यू दिया और उसका जो था हो गया. It happens.
You speak about your brother. You speak about your father. You have spoken about Tanya ji as well. But I'm sure that must have been a very very strong anchor to have.
It is. I mean, she's been through so much in her life, and it's amazing what a tough woman she is. मतलब अगर कोई भी भगवान ने अगर किसी को सबसे ज़्यादा मजबूत और टफ बनाया वो औरतें हैं. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. मतलब मेरी माँ, मेरी सिस्टर्स, ये सच टफ पीपल. आई मीन मैन तो छोटी सी चीज़ पे रोने लगते हैं. But I think I was really lucky that Tanya is my wife, and I'm lucky to have her. Blessed.
Right. Okay. यमला पगला दीवाना कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट एक मकाम है आपके करियर में. 3 parts.
I mean, पहला वाला अच्छा बना था. उसके बाद में, as you must have followed everyone's careers.
Yeah.
My brother's career also wasn't doing so great. सो फ्रेंचाइज जब बनती है, फिल्म बनती है तो उसकी फ्रेंचाइज बनाने लगते हैं तो लोग सोचते हैं कि इट डेफिनेटली विल वर्क, और wrong decisions, wrong director, wrong story, wrong everything. It didn't work. Then the third one again was a disaster. So it is sad because to work with your father and a brother in a film and those films not doing well definitely hurts more than anything else. Because for me, I've looked up to both of them all my life. But Apne was a great film.
Yeah, of course.
And then, so it's just, that was a, जब कहानी इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अ फिल्म, आप लोगों से आप झूठ नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि झूठ दिखता है स्क्रीन पर.
No, absolutely. And you guys have always backed each other. सनी सर ने आपको बैक किया है, आपने सनी सर को बैक किया है. Now the way the sort of comeback that Sunny sir recently has had with Gadar 2 and now Jaat as well, it is
अनबिलीवेबल. ऐसा था, सपना देख रहे हैं हम. वो साल ऐसा था कि पूछो मत. पापा की फिल्म आई रॉकी रानी की, प्यार प्रेम लव स्टोरी जो भी थी, और उसमें पापा को इतना अप्रिसिएशन मिला. इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर, एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी बिकॉज़ पापा, मतलब उनकी बस यही है कि मैं हर दिन काम करूं. मतलब एज हो गई अभी 89 90 के होने वाले हैं
जी.
शुरुआत वहाँ से हुई, फिर करण की शादी हुई, हमारे घर बेटी आई, और एक किस्म से दैट ब्रॉट अस मोर लक, एंड देन गदर जब लगी तो मतलब तहलका मच गया था. तो ऐसा गदर मचा कि we were so happy all of us, हम लोग, मतलब it was like God was just showering us with so much love. तो जब एनिमल आई तो मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि उसके साथ भी ऐसा ही होगा कुछ.
Right, of course.
तो वो साल कुछ, it is one of the incredible years in our lives. Things just changed overnight.
Right.
And इतने फ़ोन आए मुझे इंडस्ट्री से. मतलब people, in my industry was so kind and so nice to message. They were so happy for me. Everyone. I mean, जहाँ भी जाता हूँ, मतलब they actually felt as if they succeeded with me succeeding. और एनिमल लगी तो जहाँ भी जाता था लोग मुझे मिलने आते थे. कभी फ़ोटो खींच ली तो मैंने शीशा नीचे किया, कभी ट्रैफिक में जा रहा हूँ और बोलते नहीं फ़ोटो नहीं खींचनी, बस आपको दुआ देनी है, आप और कामयाब हो. It is just unbelievable, the love people have for me and my family. We're so blessed.
Right.
I think that is the most important thing about success. It's not about awards, it's not about anything. It's the love you get from people, the respect you get. It is just, उनके चेहरे पे जब मिलते हैं तो खुशी दिखती है. वो खुश होते हैं आपको मिलकर, एक genuine खुशी, and that is the biggest reward you can even think or dream about. That's what I always believed when I used to be a kid. I used to go with my dad for shootings, and there were other actors around him who were also very big actors. But the way they looked at my father, the love they had in their eyes for my father was just something amazing. And I always wanted to be an actor to get that same kind of love. I wanted that. I don't think about becoming a star or anything. I was a star, and I know how difficult it is to sustain that. But if you become a good actor, if you work hard on yourself, your inning becomes longer. And that's what I'm working towards. I'm just trying to challenge myself with every time I meet someone, and I'm only looking for that. पर फिर से वही हो जाता है ना, एंटागनिस्ट के रोल मिलने लग जाते हैं. अभी भी मैं कितने एंटागनिस्ट के कैरेक्टर्स कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन एंटागनिस्ट के कैरेक्टर्स में you have different variations, different kind of things written, but if you are a hero, it's always the same basic.
मैं थोड़ा डिसएग्री करता हूँ आपसे. आपने कहा कि I was a star. I think you are a star.
No, I mean,
मुझे genuinely लगता है कि आपका जिस तरीके का, अब जैसे खबरें ये हैं कि अल्फा में आप हैं आलिया और शर्वरी के साथ.
पता नहीं, मैंने भी सुना है.
यमला पगला दीवाना 2 का चंडीगढ़ में आप लोग का एक इवेंट हुआ था, तो मैं भी वहाँ पर था. मेरे जहन में क्या आता है कॉन्स्टेंटली कि मैंने जब आपको वहाँ पर देखा था, यू आर वेरी रिलैक्सड. नेहा शर्मा वॉज देयर एज वेल, एंड यू आर वेरी रिलैक्सड. आपके अंदर जो रेस 3 के टाइम पर जो एक कट थ्रोट एलिमेंट मैंने देखा है, कंप्लीट बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन था यमला पगला दीवाना 2 में, वो you were in a different space altogether.
Yeah, I was, because I knew the outcome. I knew that I wasn't happy when I was doing that film.
Right.
Because I wanted it to be a good film, you know, and it was just not, it wasn't giving me that energy. But, and for me, Yamla Pagla Divana was more important because it was my papa and my brother with me in the film. So, it was just, मेरे हाथ में कुछ था नहीं. Even Race 3, I mean, I was just trying, I started thinking of myself as an individual in many ways, that I have to stand out. You know, I have to make people notice me. I mean, with Salman, the biggest star of our country,
Correct.
I mean, to be noticed with him would make a lot of difference, you know. And Salman is such a, you know, selfless man. He wasn't bothered. He was just saying, सबसे अच्छा करवाओ, सबका अच्छा काम होना चाहिए, you know. So there was a totally different environment out there, you know. I mean, working with Mamu was just, he just likes to give, you know.
नहीं, देखिए मेरा कहने का मुराद बेसिकली ये थी कि जो एक सेल्फ बिलीफ में एक कमी आई थी, और फिर जिस तरीके से आपने अपने ऊपर आपने एक जो, जैसे आपने कहा दैट मैं आई टेल माई सेल्फ एवरी डे दैट आई विल बी कॉन्करिंग, वो जो एक आपका सेल्फ बिलीफ में, जब जैसे 83 के टाइम पर भी, क्लास ऑफ 83 के टाइम पर भी मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी, दैट हाउ यू ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड योर सेल्फ एंड यू स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग इन योर सेल्फ मच मोर.
Yeah, but
दैट इज अनरियल.
it is. That's what every individual needs to do. I feel every youngster, you know, they need to have self-belief. कितने actors बनना चाहते हैं? कितने लड़के लड़कियाँ, they want to get into this industry, and I meet them. They ask me how to do, what to do. I say, beta, you know, it's just believe in yourself. You know, and it's all about patience. It's all about struggle. You have to struggle, and there's nothing, you can never be sure. But if you give up, and by cursing the world, you're destroying yourself from inside as a human being. You know, blaming others for what is happening to you. That just makes you more, your energy becomes very negative from inside.
Correct.
And I think I went through that phase and I got that negativity out of me, and I just started believing more and more and manifesting more. And still, it's a struggle. Even though I have had an animal and I've got some good projects coming out, but still there's a fear. अब आगे क्या होगा? But I know one thing, that I'm prepared.
You look prepared.
Yeah, I want to be prepared so that anything comes my way, I'm ready to do it. And that's the only way you can move forward.
कितनी भूख है आपके अंदर आज?
मतलब मैं इतना, मतलब I just get happy. You know, मेरा एक टाइम था जब मैं काम नहीं था, इसी बरसों में मैं कहीं जा रहा हूँ तो बिल्डिंग में लाइटें लग रही हैं, बाहर वैनिटी वैन्स खड़ी हैं, और मैं कब बैठूँगा इनमें? You know, every day I go to work, I'm just happy to be there. I always say that, कभी चिढ़ा जाती है ना, क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है? It's a normal thing. क्या टाइम लग रहा है? पर मैं बोलता हूँ, जब मैं सोचने लगता हूँ ऐसे, मैं बोलता हूँ क्यों सोच रहा हूँ मैं ऐसे? टाइम लगता है, डिलेज होते हैं, तो मैं यहाँ हूँ जहाँ मैं नहीं था कुछ साल पहले. And what is more important?
क्या बात है?
You have what you wanted is what is happening with you now. If you have to wait, you wait. If there's traffic while going to work, if there's traffic while coming back from work, there is traffic. But you're doing what you love doing, you know, and that's what keeps me sane, you know. That's what I look at life, you know.
That's amazing. धर्म जी के तरह आपको भी उर्दू शायरी से कोई दिलचस्पी है?
पापा ने मुझे 2 साल उर्दू सीखने के लिए बिठाया था, मैं सीख नहीं पाया. तो मेरी उर्दू इतनी नहीं, मेरे पापा की शायरी मुझे नहीं आती, शेर व शायरी.
Right.
Yeah.
But he's amazing at that.
He's amazing.
He's absolutely amazing. All right, so Bobby, thank you very much for talking to us and sharing so many wonderful vignettes from your life, from your journey, and the sheer transformation and the self-belief. It is truly praiseworthy. And मैं चाहूँगा कि जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, ज़ोरदार तालियों के साथ में applause होना चाहिए.
Thank you. Hi, this is Bobby Deol, and you're watching Memorable Conversations with Faridun, my buddy.